Hello from Slovenia again. I have quite some paints that I have to use, and I will just do a dirty cup and the straight pour and see what will happen. I will just start with Windsor Violet on the bottom. Oop, I saw some things in it, and a little of pearl white from up high, and have Windsor blue. I'm pouring from up high, and some iridescent blue-green. And some iridescent green-yellow. Let's throw some pearl white again that I have left, not a lot. And some ultramarine violet. And magenta. Just basically using my paints and some gold. This is iridescent precious gold. And wow, this violet has some really awful things in it. I hope that I will be able to get it out. I didn't check it, and I should. I will just throw a little of black. Okay. I will do a straight pour. I can already see all the disgusting things. Okay. When I will start stretching, I will see them and take them out before they will do a damage to a painting. Let me check. Tweezers. I see one right here. And I did end up with the flower again. even with the straight pour. I think that I'm done. Torch. Okay. I love it. I think that on camera it's not so nice that I see. I hope that I will be able to show you on a close-up, so bear with me. So here is a close-up. I hope that I will be able to show you on camera these beautiful layers under layers mixed together, and I just love this part here, and a flower in the middle, kind of, see? And here again, all these layers under layers. I really like it. So I think that I used these colors in paints that I had to use in a good way, and with dirty cup and straight pour is definitely big love for me. So this was it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.